Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. And I have $100 in prop money. And my saving challenge is to save for various things throughout the year. So let's get started. Right. So first, how are you guys doing? Hope you had a wonderful weekend. And your week is doing great. All right. We have every Friday of 2025 created by Mandy's Money _budgets on Etsy. And I am saving this $27 for the last Friday of June. That is crazy. 25, 6, and 7. And with this, I am putting towards an extra payment of debt. So let's add up how much total will we put towards that. So it would be 6 plus 13, 20, and 27. So $66. That is like, nope, that's not the lowest. So let's do 66. So I will put that towards an extra payment, which is very nice because I am down to my last $500 and something of debt and one credit card. So that is wonderful. We are ahead of schedule with that because I was thinking it's going to take me longer, but it's rolling. All right. This saving challenge is created by Norella's Budgets. And this is her weekly savings of 2025. And let me get this. I'm rolling a 8-sided die to determine how much I'm saving for that week. And this is this is going towards my son's senior year class of 2026. And we are doing another 8. June was popping this month. $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Should we see how much we saved so far? Let's see. We have saved 110, 24, 5, 6, 7. $127. That is maybe enough for a cap and gown. And the senior year is just so expensive. I'm like, I'm gonna start in as soon as possible because I have learned with my daughter. I was like, wow, I didn't realize things was that expensive for senior year. All right, so this challenge is created by Save with Judy. Save $5 a month. This also goes towards his senior year. So we have one little flip-flop left. So that is $5. Let's get that colored in. Perfect. And let's see, what do we have so far with this one? We have $140, $50. So $150. Halfway there. Yes, yes, yes. All right, next we have our spring. Oh my goodness. Our spring fling. And I am saving this towards back to school. So I want to put, let's put $10 in. Because I have another challenge for back to school. So we can do 10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do this one. That's 3. That is 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's the 8, 9, 10. Perfect. So $10. Let's see, how much do we say so far? We have 50, 70, 80, 91. Perfect, $91. It's going to be time to go back to school shopping pretty soon. And here in the state of Ohio, we have the tax-free week. I think that starts either the end of July or the beginning of August. One of the two. I have to look that up. But yeah, tax-free week is perfect to get all the back-to-school supplies and stuff. So we have Santa is coming to town. And let's see. I usually put $20 towards this, but I think I'm going to just see if I can finish these here, because we put so much towards that that every Friday challenge. So let's see. So we have $2 here. Let me get a calculator, because I will forget. 2. We have a 4. A 3. Okay, we got all of them. Let's see the last one. Of course, another 4 plus 4. Okay, $13. Not bad. All right, $13. Do I need change? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course. Why I can't never come in here with the right amount of change? Why not? I don't know. And I don't have no change in there. So let me... Did I have... Let me see. Let me go back. One of these got change. So let's do 10, 20, and put a 20 in here. Oh Lord, what did I get that out of? Hot mess. I think I got it out of this one. Hopefully, Lord Jesus. So let's go back to Christmas and get that 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we finished that one. Well, that scratch off that page there. So let's see how much we saved. So 150, 90, 205, 6, 7, 8. Okay, $208. That is perfect. All right, and then I think, yeah, that we did all the scratches. So I wanted to do all the scratches first. And then I will go back and we will start with, we're going to start with this game. That sounds like a great idea. Perfect. So next, let's do, I want to put at least $30 into 2025. So 5, 6, 7. So I have $7 to put towards this back to school, which is created by Lemon Ivy. So what I said, 7. So do I gotta? Ew, I don't have a 7. Oh, I forgot I'm making each star $1. So let me put worth $1. So we can do, let's do this globe here for 5. And then some stars. 5. Oop. 6 and 7. Perfect. So let's put the $7 and see how much. So 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. $55. And it's going to be an 80 plus. All right. So let's go back to our, say, 2025 and 2025 created by the Almost Organized Aisle. And let's put that $30 in here. So 25, 30. And we are going to do the 215s. Right? Yes. Okay. So let's do this 15 here. And this 15 here. For a total of $30. And I need to get some placeholders for this one. But this is out of control. For all these hundreds. But it just makes me smile. Okay, let's see what we got in here so far. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. 2, 4, 50, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So was it $869? Look, I forgot already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, $869. Yes, darling. And this goes towards any taxes I may have to pay back for next year. So I just wanted to get a head start on that. And if I don't need it all, I just roll it over for the next year. We just gonna keep it pushing. All right, gems. Thank you so much. That was $100 in prop money for my year of savings. All right. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.